Bossing, sana ma-notice. Goods ba ang MG5? Any thoughts? Sige, Christian, shoutout sa'yo. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So, honest thoughts about the MG5. Eto, if I may just say it, Chinese cars kasi medyo, kasi yan mahirap talaga siya pag-usapan, lalong-lalo na with all the issues, the stigma. Still, Chinese cars, medyo talaga siya, difficult pa siya ngayong era na to. But it's slowly getting there, and it's yung Chinese car brands, they are slowly improving, and with their after sales services, marketing, ganon, they are really improving a lot lately. So para sa akin, with all the Chinese car brands, if I may if I'm gonna trust one today, MG is probably gonna be that Chinese car brand. Of course, BYD is also there because of the innovation, because of the electric vehicles, hybrid. But usapang yung purong sasakyan lang talaga, I think compared to other Chinese brands, MG is really a company that I'm probably leaning to trust. Having said that, MG5 specifically, because a lot of models din ni MG I really like as well. So, ayan, this is also for those of you, kasi medyo madaming sa inyo dito na nagtatanong specifically about MG5. So, sana this will also satisfy you. Specifically for the top-end variant, MG5 para sa akin, napaka-elegante. Lalo na yung kulay black. I'm a big fan of that with all the chrome accents. Napaka-social, VIP, executive tignan. Now, di lang yon, not just the exterior, but yung features niya. Napaka big on features ni MG, specifically MG5. Ano ba yon? Number one, favorite feature natin, 360-degree camera. It has it. As a sedan, subcompact sedan yan, guys. Napaka-importante nun para sa akin lang. Next, ventilated seats. Okay? Very important here in the Philippines. So, yun pa lang, napaka-feeling spoiled mo na, no? Now, lastly, meron din siyang panoramic sunroof as a bonus. So kung sasabihin lang natin na features, panalo talaga. So if you're someone who trusts MG or any Chinese car, you have an open mind, then go for it. So sana nakatulong, go ahead to my YouTube channel, check out our reviews and car accessories.